Latvia is the perfect place to host your next meeting or conference. We pride ourselves on our excellent air traffic with more than 80 destinations worldwide, our comfortable ferries, and our modern railroad infrastructure. Here you will find the widest variety of opportunities and places where to host meetings and conferences, summit-sized events with more than 1,000 participants, board meetings, and publicity events for your business. The wide selection of culture events will only enhance any formal meeting or negotiation. Our hotels and conference halls are complete with the latest technology. We also offer you the chance to host your business event in historical rural villas and castles across the country. These unique monuments of their time have now been transformed into hotels and guest houses. You can offer your guests the highest quality catering that uses the most fresh, natural, local organic produce, as well as delicacies and culinary wonders from all over the world.